Okay, we just check the X, Z, and Y the motion by use this button controller. We next how to moving C axis and Z A axis and B axis. How to move it? We first also in the motion. Here is I already set the moving by manual speed. You can see it, right? And C is moving speed. Where is B? B is this fraction and swing, right? We use the check here, and here is B. Here is this exercise moving the speed. We already said it. We can in the here. You can see this controller. Here it's left and the right. Control this exercise left and right, and everything up, everything down. It control this exercise to go up and down, and C forward and C return. We use the here is the direction, right? You can see it. Here is direction. Here is forward go here, and another return is go here. Okay. We first check it. We first choose the B left, B exercise left. You can see it. We placed right, left. After do here is the limit. After we let the B exercise go left, go right to the here. Here is also limit. Because the left to middle. Okay, here is B exercise, and then is go up and go down. We can check it. First we go up. If we use speed very slowly, we can change the motion, and A speed we change it 100. Change the A exercise speed. Then we choose the long. Here is motion. You can see the the manual speed is 5, right? You can forward. You can see it. Here is forward. Here is return. Then we change the speed. Change the 10. Here is very fast, right? Here is change it, right? And I use here. Go on.